Hey everybody, Adam with the BMW Repair Guide. Got a question for you. How many people are tired of trying to get a BMW wheel on the hub with this little tiny lip? You're holding it up with your knees, fumbling around trying to get the lug nuts in. It is a major pain, probably one of the #1 issues that BMW owners or home mechanics run into. They hate putting the wheels back on the car. Well, voila! This little guy from Schwaben is the neatest tool ever. It screws right into one of the wheel bolt holes like that, and basically you just hang the wheel off of it and put the lug nuts in. How easy is that? And done. Hey, if you need to order one of these, look at our description below. We've got a link where you can order one. You can also go to our website, bmwrepairguide.com. We did a quick blog on this video. If you found it helpful, we'd appreciate it if you like it. And as always, please subscribe to our channel.